Ready to ditch that boring default wallpaper and give your iPhone a fresh, personalized look. First, let's dive into the Settings app. Find the icon that looks like a set of gears. It's usually located on your home screen, or you can search for it. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll down in the Settings menu until you see Wallpaper. It should be located between Brightness and Display and Accessibility. Tap on Wallpaper to continue. You'll now see a preview of your current lock screen and home screen wallpapers. Below that, tap on Choose a new wallpaper. Here's where the fun begins. You have several options. Dynamic wallpapers have a subtle animated effect. Stills or static images. Live wallpapers respond to your touch and require a 3D touch-enabled device. You can also choose a photo from your own photo library by tapping on all photos. Find an image you like, then tap on it. Now you can adjust how the image fits on your screen. You can pinch to zoom in or out, and drag to reposition it below the image. You might see a perspective zoom option. If you toggle it off, the wallpaper will stay still as you tilt your phone. Once you're happy with the positioning, tap the Set button in the bottom right corner. You'll then be prompted to choose where you want to apply the new wallpaper. You can set it for your lock screen, your home screen, or both. Choose the option that best suits your style. And that's it. You've successfully changed your iPhone wallpaper. Now your iPhone has a personal touch that reflects you. Enjoy your fresh new look.